In the Contents menu, you can see a list of contents created in the system. The table works similarly to the Devices menu. You can configure the columns to display the number of contents shown per page, create views, and set filters. By right-clicking, you can edit the basic data of the selected content, open it in the designer, and add or delete tags. New content can be created by pressing the plus button in the top left. There are two types of content. 1. External content. This is an external website or a web application. You only need to provide the name and link of the content. For external content, the platform does not support browser history. This needs to be implemented by the developer of the website or web application. 2. Internal content. You need to provide the name of the content. After that, you can specify the resolution of the content, which can be selected from predefined values or specified in pixels. After providing this information, you can design the content in the designer.